Hey guys, EG Scary here, unboxing. This is a prop I bought on Amazon, and we are in the Haunted Dungeon. So, let's open her up and see what we got. I already slid it, but I did not look in it. So here we go. Oh. So, let's see what we got. So, this said give it a couple of hours for it to gain its shape. It almost looks like Jason Voorhees. So this is my arm, and coincidentally I brought a tape measure. So let's see what we got here. It is about 29 inches. I'm not really that impressed with this. This was just a shy bit under 40 bucks. Even if I let it... Oh yeah, it's supposed to be hung upside down, by the way. Even if I let it gain its shape all the way, I'm never going to be happy with this. And I don't think you would be happy with it either. It looks more like a toddler than it does an adult. And I'm not into dead toddlers. So this one is gonna go back, but at least you got to see it. Mama, 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 help us, help us, help us, help us. All right. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to the channel. Give us a big thumbs up. Thanks for watching. EG Scary out.